Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create company records and associated contacts in Recruit CRM. Keeping a company and its contacts together helps you organize client information in one place and makes relationship management easier. Let's start by creating a company manually. Navigate to the company's list page, then click the Add Company button. Enter the company details, such as its name, industry, description, and any additional information you'd like to store. If your organization uses custom fields, you can complete those while creating the company. You can also add contact details during company creation, so the contact is automatically associated with the company when the record is created. Enter the contact information, such as first name, last name, title, and other personal details. Once you've entered all the information, click the Submit button. Recruit CRM automatically creates both the company and the associated contact. If you'd like to add more contacts to the same company later, open the company record and in the Contact section, click the plus icon. From there, you can either select an existing contact to associate with the company or click Add New Contact to create one. You can then fill in the contact details and click Submit. Recruit CRM automatically associates the new contact with that company. Now, let's look at how to import companies and associated contacts during a bulk import. To do that, navigate to the company's list page. Be sure to prepare a CSV or Excel file that includes at least a company name column and a contact name column. If your spreadsheet includes multiple contacts with the same company name, Recruit CRM creates a single company and automatically associates all of those contacts with it during the import. If a company in your spreadsheet matches an existing company in Recruit CRM, it is automatically merged into the existing record, and the imported contacts are associated with that company. This helps you import existing companies and contacts without creating each record manually. To bulk import the CSV, click the drop-down and select Import CSV XLS, then click Upload File and select your file. In the import mappings, map the company name to the company name field and the contact first name to contact first name. And that's it. You can continue the import process as usual, and your contacts and companies will be associated once the import is complete. You now know how to create company records and associated contacts in Recruit CRM. If you have any questions, reach out to us via the chatbot in the bottom right corner. Thank you for watching.